Hi, how are you? Welcome to Shonaland. Moroi Makadini, tinokuchingamidzai paShonaland. Today we are going to be teaching you a conversation or how to build up a conversation with someone who is in a hospital. Let's get started. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. What to say to your friend in a hospital in Shona. Greeting. Hi, how are you feeling? Hesi, wavakunzwa sei? Hesi, wavakunzwa sei? Hi, it's Hesi. How are you feeling? Wavakunzwa sei? The response might be, Hi, I am getting better now. Hesi, ndavakunzwa zviri nani. Better now, it's zviri nani. Hesi, ndavakunzwa zviri nani. Asking about the discharge date. When are the doctors expecting to discharge you? Vana chiremba vanotarisira kukubuditsa rini? Vana chiremba vanotarisira kukubuditsa rini? When are the doctors? The doctors, it means it's in plural, so it's vana chiremba. If it's doctor here, it's chiremba only. So here we have a plural. Maybe you are in a hospital where they are for shifts. So it's vana chiremba vanotarisira. Expecting, that's vanotarisira kukubuditsa rini, to discharge you. Rini, it's the same as when, but here to make sense in Shona, rini goes here. That's the similar statement there. The response might be, the doctors said in a few days' time. Vana chiremba vati mumazuva mashomana. Vana chiremba vati mumazuva mashomana. Asking what the patient prefers to eat. So what do you prefer to eat? Saka unoda kudyei. Saka unoda kudyei. So what? Saka. What do you prefer? Unoda to eat. Kudyei. Saka unoda kudyei. The response might be, please, may you bring apples. Ndokumbirawo muuye nemahapuru. Ndokumbirawo muuye nemahapuru. Please, may you, ndokumbirawo, bring muuye nema apples. Hapuru. Ndokumbirawo muuye nemahapuru. Asking if he or she needs more blankets. Would you like some more blankets? Ungade mamwe magumbeze ekufuga here. Ungade mamwe. Would you like some more blankets? Magumbeze ekufuga, there it's an additional word there that I have put, because when you give them blankets, they say that they will put them on or they will lie on them. So here it's ekufuga, it's putting them on. Ungade mamwe magumbeze ekufuga here. The response might be, please bring my white blanket, it is cold at night. Ndapota ndiunzireiwo gumbeze rangu jena, kuri kutonhora usiku. Please bring my white blanket. Ndapota ndiunzireiwo gumbeze rangu jena. White, it's jena. Bring my, ndiunzireiwo blanket gumbeze, please ndapota. It is cold at night, kuri kutonhora usiku. It is kuri kutonhora, cold, usiku at night, ndapota ndiunzireiwo gumbeze rangu jena, kuri kutonhora usiku. You might want to end the conversation now, maybe your time is up. We will come and visit you next time. Get well soon. Tichauya kuzokuona nguva inotevera. Ndokushuvira kupora nekuchimbidza. We will come, tichauya and visit you kuzokuona next time nguva inotevera. Get well soon, ndokushuvira kupora nekuchimbidza. Thank you very much for joining us on today's video. The response for this one now, as we close up and wrap up, might be, thank you and safe journey. Waita basa ufambe zvakanaka. Waita basa ufambe zvakanaka. We'll meet on next lesson. Thank you very much for joining us. Continue supporting us and hitting that like button. Tell a friend to tell a friend that there is a channel that is teaching you Shona step by step so that you can be fluent with your Shona friends and your Shona loved ones. Later.